Okay, hello everybody. It's 9 o'clock on Thursday night. I wanted to discuss again what's going to happen this weekend. This has been a very tough forecast for determining if there's going to be snow or no snow this weekend. As stands, if you read the local weather products, National Weather Service Weather Channel, calling for some light snow over the weekend. But the point of this discussion is, for people who've been following all week, who know I'm not giving up on this weekend scenario, is only a few things have to change to blow up a decent snowstorm on the East Coast. And let me show you what I mean. Let's start off with the GFS, which is the American model here. And I'm going to take you through the progression on how this storm is going to develop. Here, if I start here, you can see you have a piece of energy coming around the Nebraska area that's going to dive down like this. You have a southern stream, a southern jet stream that's shearing out into the ocean. And you're going to have a big cold front that's going to come down with this system. So what ends up happening is, as things progress, okay, now we're on Saturday at 1 a.m., Saturday at 1 p.m., you could see that low pressure center over Nebraska now starts to try to merge with this southern stream energy you see out here. Now the question becomes, where is this going to occur? Because most of the models right now have it out to sea and have a light snow event, was what you see right here over New Jersey. And if I project this out, you can see it blows a storm up off the coast, but it keeps our area out of most of it and also most of New England. But there is one model, two models actually, and those include the Canadian and the British model, that are not showing that. I'll show you the Canadian real quick. And the Canadian looks very similar until right at the end here. You can see it brings the system a lot closer to the coast. So that's a Canadian, and this is the American model. You can see there's definitely a shift to the west in the Canadian. Now, usually the Canadian's not that good of a model, but actually yesterday, the Canadian Weather Center updated their model. It's a once-in-a-decade upgrade, and it's supposed to be a lot more accurate. So we might have to take this a little more seriously now. And this would give us a nice 6-inch snowfall over New Jersey, even more, 6 to 8 inches if this is correct. And then finally, we have the legendary European model, which looks very similar to the GFS now, which takes some light snow Saturday morning into New Jersey, accumulating maybe 1 to 3 inches, and then again, it blows the storm up off the coast. Okay, so it's going to be interesting to see at 12 o'clock tonight what these models look like. Tonight, the new GFS, the new NAM, the new Canadian, the new British, and new European all come in, and depending on how they want to sharpen this big cold front over the East Coast and where this southern jet stream is going to set up in terms of, is it going to be more positively tilted or negatively tilted, is going to determine where the storm is going to go. So keep in mind, even though this is a tricky forecast, a few things need to change, and there could be a little bit of a surprise event here. I think my gut feeling on this is you're going to see a moderate snow event happen, meaning I don't think we're going to blow up a major storm. I just think we're too close to the actual event for any drastic changes like that. But I think that we're going to see some spots anywhere from New Jersey up into New England can see several inches from this when it's all said and done. But I'll have a morning update that's going to basically show what tonight's runs of the models look like. And you might have to be ready for the weekend if you're planning to do some traveling or whatever. Saturday morning to Saturday night is an area of concern right now. And I'll keep looking at it for you, and I will update you again, like I said, tomorrow morning. That's all for now.